This is one of the babies. Come here, baby Chippy. I think he's too small to be interested in peanuts. Come here. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come here. Hi, buddy. He's just, that's that little girl's baby. He's a spitfire. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Speaking of the devil, it's a little girl. Hi, little girl. Come here. You want some peanuts, honey? Here. Come on. Come on. Get there. I just saw your baby running around here. Yeah, he's running around like crazy. He's got a lot of energy, you know that? All right. Well, still got a couple peanuts left. Guess I'm still not done. Yep.